How to take beautiful pictures using bounce strobe in backlight. In this video, I will show you how to take beautiful pictures when shooting in a room with a small window using only one strobe. First, have the subject stand in a position where the light from the small window is half backlit and try shooting with only half backlight. If you try to take a photo so that the background does not get blown out, the subject's face will be underexposed and dark. To brighten the subject's face, I use a white reflector to reflect light from the window. The subject becomes a little brighter and looks good, but it is still a little dark. Now I'll use a strobe. The strobe used this time is a Godox 8200. The strobe is positioned so that the light from the window is in the same direction as the strobe. The strobe is aimed at the window and bounced off the wall. The light intensity of the window becomes stronger. The half backlight from the strobe hits the reflector and brightens the subject. Since the strobe is half backlit against the reflector, the light is soft and I was able to take a beautiful photo. The key is to match the direction of the light with the window light and bounce it to soften the light. Once you learn this lighting technique, you can apply it to any indoor situation. I recommend that you definitely learn this lighting technique.